Okay, so we know this one is 90 degrees. And so we know this piece also has to add up to 90 degrees because this is a straight line. Well, if this angle is 20 degrees, we know that this one has to be 70. Well, this is also a straight line in your picture. Looks more like that probably. Okay, and so now we have 2x and 3x and 70 make a straight line. So those are all equal to 180. Now we combine our like terms. We get this piece by itself. We're left with 5x equals 110. So x has to equal 22. That doesn't mean that this angle is 22. 22 is x, and this is twice x. So this angle has a measure of 44 degrees, and this one up here has a measure of 66 degrees.